Let's look at this question. Find the sum of 1 cross 3 plus 3 cross 5 plus 5 cross 7 plus 7 cross 9 and so on till 47 cross 49. So you can see 1, 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are all AP, correct? And these are odd numbers. And the each term, right? Each term in a single term differ by 2 also. So I can generalize each expression or each term as this would be 2n minus 1. If I put n equal to 1, I get 1. And this would be 2 more than this 2 minus 1. So I can write this 3 as 2n plus 1. So if I take the product of these two, it would be the general term of this series. If you put n equal to 1, you get 1 cross 3. If you put n equal to 2, you get 3 cross 5 and so on. So your general term would be a plus b minus b, a square minus b square, right? And I need to find the sum. I need to take the sum of this 4n square minus 1 from n equal to 1 to how much we get this term when we put n equal to 24. So I need to go till 24. So this would be 4 times summation n square from n equal to 1 to 24 minus summation from n equal to 1 to 24, right? So I know the sum of squares of first n natural numbers is given by n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6, n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 minus it would be 24, right? Because you are adding constant number 24 times or summation of constant, right? This would be 24. Now this would I should put the value of n as 24, 25 into 49 divided by 6. So this is 4 times. This is 149 into 4 is 196. So 196,000 minus 24, it becomes 19,576. So the sum of this series would be 19,576.